Okay, now see the next topic, that is networking devices. Okay, now the next device is repeater. So repeater means what? It regenerates the beep signal and transmit the signal to the destination. As we discussed, means every network cable we have segment length, and only you can send the data within that segment length. And if you want to send the data more than that segment length, so you have to need one device, that is repeater. So here in this picture you can see we have this first device available there, and that is the second device. So if you want to send the data here, and suppose the range is in between 150 meter, right? 150 meter, the distance between the two pieces. So to transmit the data, as we discussed in twisted pair cable, we have only maximum 100 meter available there, segment length. So data will be transferred to this 100 meter, and here it will discard, here or here 100 meter, 100 meter, it will discard. So we have to send the data. In that case, what we will do? We will use this repeater in between this cable. And after that, what will happen? Here signal will pass, and here signal will beat there. And after will be here, it will discard. So this repeater will receive that type of signals. Okay, that signal is weak. So it will regenerate the signal. Then it will create the strong signal. And again it will transmit the signal. So that time, again 100 meter it can cover. And if the distance is more than 200 or 300 meter, that time you have to need multiple repeaters. We have to need some more repeater. Okay, here we have to need repeater. Again, after 100 meter, it will regenerate the signal. Again, we have to need one repeater. So again, it will regenerate. So we can send the data using that repeater. And this type of repeater, I think you ever seen in the poles somewhere. Here we have only two ports available. One is for the input and one is for the output. That is for the coaxial, and that is for the twisted pair RJ45. You can also use for that. That is called repeater. And repeater is also for the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi means if you have to use Wi-Fi signal, and uh, here is the suppose that is Wi-Fi router. Here is the Wi-Fi router, and the limit of that Wi-Fi router is up to 100 meter only. That is the segment length of this Wi-Fi, and you are available here. That is 300 meter. So you have to need some repeater if you want to access this Wi-Fi. So you can use this, and using that, if I will tell you, so you can also access within means 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer, 30 kilometer also. It will just regenerate the signal again and again, and it will transfer the
Definitely.
signal to anywhere. Right? So that is the use of repeater to regenerate the weak signal into strong signal.
With same bandwidth?
Actually, bandwidth we can say same, but only means some difference will be there. Like suppose if the bandwidth is 100 meter, so we can say 90 or 85 will be there. Some attenuation will be there, because when range will be there, signal will be regenerated, that's okay, but attenuation will be there also. So we can say from this 100 meter it will be around 90 to 85, that will be the difference, and not more than, right? So is that clear?